Welcome back to One More Guru. In this video, I'll show you how to delete your chat history in Google Gemini. It's actually very simple. First, log into your account and make sure you have the specific chat in mind that you want to remove. Once you're inside Gemini, open the menu by tapping the expand icon in the top left corner. The layout might look slightly different depending on whether you're using the app or a browser. From the left-hand sidebar, you'll see your list of chats. Find the conversation you want to delete. Next, click on the three-dot More Options button beside that chat. You'll see several options, including rename and delete. Go ahead and select delete. Gemini will let you know that deleting the chat will remove the prompts, responses, and any feedback associated with that conversation from your activity. You'll then see a confirmation message reminding you that this action can't be undone. If you're sure, simply press delete, and the chat will disappear from your list. And that's it. That's one quick and easy way to delete your chat history in Google Gemini. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to One More Guru for more simple and helpful tutorials. See you in the next one.